Hello everyone. Today my name is Shajit and I am from CSE department from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain about how to create a to-do application. So basically to-do application means it's a friendly reminder where we can add our the works that we have to do now and later. Then the application will give us reminders that what works we have in pending and what works we have done. So we can do that in by using the to do. So for that we need some things like for example closure is a feature in JavaScript which has its own scope. That means it has a global scope. Closure is created every time when the function is created. So next we move on to the callback function is a known as it is passed as argument to the another function when it executed asynchronous. So next we go to the promises is a value that may be available for now, later, or never. So another one is async or wait. Async or wait refers to it is a syntactic sugar over promises, making asynchronous code appear synchronous. That means we are making the asynchronous code to appear asynchronous, it's not asynchronous, it is synchronous. That means making asynchronous code appear synchronous. So we have used this type functions to for this. Let's dive into the implementation of the code. Here we see the one thing right named like to do list. This is our application. So here I have created an add function where the tasks that we need to do now, later, or completed, that need to be added here. So we mark that the task as complete by using this function. If the task is completed, then we mark it as completed. So here overdue refers to when the task is completed, the time is exceeded, the that we have not done, then it shows us like overdue. That means the work that need to complete it by that time now is not completed. So we need to, if the time is there for that, we need to complete this immediately, or else we have to lose that work. So due today means the work is pending up to today. That means if the work is assigned up to 2 days, we can do that work to 2 days. But if the work is completed, need to complete by today, then the work is completed today means we need to complete that work by today only. So due later means we have some more time to do that work. So this that requires to that. So we add all things there. So this display list refers to it's displays the thing, that is if the work is completed, then it shows like this. If the work is not completed, it shows like this. So here by using return function we print what work is completed and what work is not completed. Then we will get the clarity that then we can do the works which have pending. So for every work we need to assign time, right? So for finding time we have a function called date. So by for that we get the today date by using this function. So to format, we need to format the date, right? Because for date we need to get that year, month and date, right? So we need to know in what year and what month we and what date we have to complete that work. So for that we need to format that date by forming the object for date called date today. We pass the date today for format to formatted date, then it converts into a string like year, month, date. So if the date needs to be yesterday, so it needs to do like this. And if the date likes to be tomorrow, then we need to like this. Because if the day, if the work is need to completed by tomorrow, then we can give that tomorrow. If the work is assigned by if the work is need to be completed by yesterday, then we can assign there yesterday. So I have given a list of to do functions here. In that I have added some to do list, that is submit assignment. So the assignment submission is due is completed by yesterday only. So I have not completed that work. We see terminal later. And we need to, I have taken a to do called break to take some time break to spend time to spend some time freely. And another one is another college work or coding and personal project. So for printing that, we have taken like this to print all the functions. Let's execute that code. So here, it there, one second. So here we can see that the submission for assignment is date is voted. That means that the time is completed and we have not completed that work. Here it shows that we have taken the break time, so it shows a cross work, and I have not done the college work, so it shows like this. And the due later is the coding and personal project work. So we can do like this. So I have completed a simple application called to-do list by using JavaScript and by using the small functions. And thank you.